Greetings, welcome to Mupondi Vatu Aka Observe Nature. Today I want us to talk about tree tunnel. Tree tunnels are one of nature's curious and beautiful phenomenon. The trees somehow form a canopy overhead which gives the effect of a tunnel. Some tree tunnels are natural due to the nature of the tree branches, while others are man-made as they are grown that way using gardening techniques. A tree tunnel is a road, lane or track where the trees on each side form a more or less continuous canopy overhead, giving the effect of a tunnel. The trunks are often curved as a result of external factors including catastrophic events, the availability of light, and soil creep. Sharp curves in tree trunk are usually the result of catastrophic events, but snow or ice pressure may cause trees to bow with gently curves. Thank you. Chanduko Ramunganga, Mupondi Vatu.